This exercise is an incline dumbbell fly press, okay? So we're sitting on an incline bench and then we're starting with the dumbbells up close together, palms facing each other. And you're just going to come down almost like a fly motion, okay? And I want a bend in those elbows and I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades together as you're coming down. And then as you come up, I want you to press up just like almost like a chest press and squeeze your chest together, okay? But keep those hands, the palms facing each other, okay? So you're going to come down, squeeze the shoulder blades, then come up and squeeze the chest, okay? And every time as you come down, you're really letting those elbows bend, get a good stretch through that front delt and chest area. And remember to squeeze those shoulder blades together. As you come up, I want you to always remember to exhale, okay? This is a great chest exercise. Go out and give it a try and make it a great day.